morning guys. Yan, nakasalamin po tayo kasi nag-i-edit ako and masakit yung mata ko. Mata ko, connection sa ulo yung sakit. Kaya, yan, salamin. Kalimutan ko yung yawi sa sasakyan guys. Natutulog pa si Tami. Ayaw ko nang gisingin. Ang dami-daming in-order. Nag-order siya ng knife. Di ba ang dami na naming knife? Sana hindi kayo matuwad baliskad ha. Sabi niya hindi pa daw enough kasi iba yung mga tao ngayon daw. Iwan ko na lang. Wala pang dikit naman dito. So, ano, plato. Plato. Ito siya yung dala namin. Yun lang. Maliit kasi yung sasakyan kaya kunti lang yung dinala namin. Anyway, ang ginaw dito para sa camera ko. Flowers. Hi, babag. Maganda ito kapag mag-bake. Ito, hindi ko pa ito nakita. Hugasan natin itong maayos. Hugasan lahat. Ito yung gamit na gamit ko noon sa isang bahay. Pwede ito gamit pang steam. Steam ng manok, paupo. Yung mga dinala ko kahapon sa kitchen area. Ito. Iwan ko. May malaki nito eh. Iwan ko kung asa na. Look, maganda yan. Ito din. Kahit ito, gamit na gamit namin ito. Pang takip. And ito. Pang bake. Kailangan hugasan. Mga madumi na. Then, magagamit ko talaga to. Use that for chicken sitting skin sitting down or what? No, it's no fire. If we're gonna put that together, if we're gonna put that away, we have to get a bed. I'm gonna put it in the bed. Oh no, you know what? Just leave it there.
Well, these things should be up in there. These little Christmas glasses up here. Where are Christmas glasses? They're somewhere.
Right there.
Up here.
It's not a lot, really. Just leave for Christmas too for us.
Well, we don't have enough wraps, so we need paper.
Guys,
Do we have any paper?
paper? We don't, hon.
Need something.
I told you we cannot do this today. Why you start doing it? Yung dito sa Christmas, pang Christmas guys, andun lahat. Ibaba daw niya. Look, this is good for salad dishes.
me see.
Soup.
Maybe we got some paper in the garage.
You know what? Paper. We don't have paper. I told you, no paper here. This is not New Rochelle house. Even in New Rochelle, it's no more. Itatago na lang daw namin ito, guys, kasi dami pa doon, oh. We don't really use them. Wala kaming... So, we don't have China cabinet also. So, you have to put it. Magaganda naman itong plato na to. Sayang, ay. Sayang, walang Christmas kasi walang family, diba? Mayroong family, kunti lang. And then plus this year also, bawal lumabas. Bawal magkita-kita ng marami. At saka may curfew. Sa city yung curfew, yung mga restaurant. Pero, di ba? So, nag-avoid na lang din yung mga pamilya ni Tami. Mag-avoid na hindi na magkita-kita kasi delikado. Yung isa niyang kapatid, yung bunso, yung asawa din, delikado kasi takot din yun kasi may sakit palagi. So, ito, hindi ko pa siya hinugasan kasi basa patong ito. Yan, and also guys, meron pa dito eh. Meron pang Christmas thing eh. I-transfer ko to. Uy, ito si Tami talaga. Ay, no. May Christmas glass pa dun sa ibabaw. Gustong gusto ko yung mga glass na yan. Kasi may mga bulaklaki. Nilagay na din dito ni Tami yung mga glass. Meron na tayong maraming glass dito. Kunti lang kasi yung ano namin glass. Nung hindi pa namin dinala. Han, I'm gonna put that over there on the top. This one here because it's wider. Over there, it's very thin. Han, that's not it. Tami is making his tuna salad. Me, I'm eating that. I'm sure he will eat that. You sure will. You like it, you said. Naglato tayo, guys. Busy siya sa kanya. Busy din ako sa akin. So, ang gagawin ko is, I'm going to mix. Okay, he's gonna eat over there. So, I'm going to mix some in this soka. Meron akong soka dito with lime, guys, with things. So, i-mix natin siya para maging not all kasi we don't know if we can eat it all. Na siya, guys. Salad na lato. Sarap nito. And time check, it is 11:44 na ng hapon. Iiwan na naman tayo ni Mister. Naliligo lang siya, guys. Tayo dahil punta siya sa isang bahay kasi ulan mamaya, and then ulan din bukas. Mamaya mag-start, basta, and then hanggang paggabi na, hanggang bukas ng umaga yung ulan. Uulan din dito mamaya, sabi ko sa kay Tami. So, iiwan mo ako. Ito, sabi niya, hindi na, wala namang nag-leak dito daw. Sabi ko, I'm leaking. Sabi ko sa asawa ko, honey, I'm leaking. I need some babysitting. Pero tinatawa niya, guys, kasi sabi ko, I'm leaking too. Natawa ako sa asawa ko eh. So, laro kami ng laro ng cellphone, di ba? So, habang nanonood sa TV, laro siya ng Sudoku. Ako din, laro ng Mobile Legend. So, ang nangyari, sabi ko, let's put our phone down and mag-usap tayo. Sabi ko, how's your life? Sabi ko sa kanya, how's your life? Natawa siya. Sabi pa niya, you know naman. Alam ko daw. Ba't nagtanong pa daw ako? So, nagtanong siya about my family. Ganun. Kasi nabuboard ako. Sabi ko, palagi na lang tayong nasa
cellphone ba, saka sa TV. So, mag-usap naman tayo paminsan. So, anong plano natin sa future? Kasi talaga, ang mga mangyayari ngayon, hindi ko pa inayos, guys. Oh, dami pang anek. Kung ano yung ganap, kung anong mga mangyayari. Dahil, di ba, sabi pa ni Biden, pataasan yung tax. And then dito, guys, kahit hindi pa mo papataasan yung tax, mataas na talaga yung tax dito sa New York. So, sabi ko sa kanya, so, anong plano mo? So, magpunta tayo sa state na no income tax, like Texas, Florida. Dito, guys, lahat tax. Lahat tax. Doon sa Florida, wala. I think wala talaga. Kasi yun yung sabi, narinig ko sa TV. So, alam ko ba yun? Hindi. So, ngayon, so I guess, we have to move somewhere na no income tax, low yung yung life ba. Kasi dito sobrang mahal talaga. Hindi naman sobrang mura din doon, pero may kaibahan, malaki yung kaibahan. So sabi niya, kailangan nating mag-move sabi ko sa Florida. So how about other state? Sabi pa niya, mahirap naman daw kung aalis kami, magpupunta kami sa ibang state na wala kaming kilala. So sabi ko, sige din sa Florida tayo kasi meron doon yung best friend niya eh. Sabi ko, wag naman yung mga ilang minuto lang yung halayo ha. Kasi ayaw ko yung door to door tayo ng kaibigan. Basta may rason, guys. Iba naman yung kaibigan na malayo-layo. Mas mabuti yung malayo-layo. Mga 1 hour drive, 30-minute drive. Hindi yung 5 minutes, 20 minutes. So, yun yung naisipan talaga na gawin, na mag-move doon. And then, sabi pa niya, look, and then you start unpacking. Ako guys, sabi ko, na talaga siya, nag-isip na talaga siyang mag-move kasi sabi pa niya, nag-unpack daw ako. Sabi pa niya, hindi, starting from now hindi na kami mag-unpack. Kung ano yung ma-impake namin, gano'n na, sa para kaunti na lang yung ipapack namin kasi na-impake na galing sa isang bahay. Pero bago yan mangyayari, sabi ko, ibenta muna yung bahay ni Mariann kasi importante yun. Kumakain din yun ng tax. So yun, kumakain yun ng tax. And then lahat, babayaran, si Tami lahat. So kailangan unahin muna dun. And then kami, so baka hindi natin alam, no? Baka sa future, manalaman na lang ninyo na naghanap na ako ng bahay. Well, naghanap na ako ng bahay, mga ilang buwan na naghanap ako, hindi everyday, pero naghanap-hanap ako slowly kasi sa mga nangyayari ngayon, lalo na hindi si Tami nakabalik sa trabaho kasi hindi pa sila nag-open, and yung trabaho niya is pag ganun-ganun, tawag-tawag lang. Dito may unemployment pa rin, usually every 6 months. I think yung unemployment mag-end niyan sa January. Hindi natin alam kung may kadugtong pa ba. Walang unemployment at wala itong YouTube ko, wala talaga. I mean, meron man yung parang yung monthly darating ba, as in wali. Buti na lang talaga may unemployment, may extra job, and then meron na tayong extra income sa YouTube. And so yun siya. Sabi ko kay Tami, we really have to rethink. So kailangan namin talaga is, hopefully guys, gusto ko sa Florida. Pero ang sabi ko kay Tami, gusto ko yung lugar na hindi daanan ng hurricane. So guys, halos doon daanan naman ng hurricane. Yung Florida, daananan man yun, agianan man yun. So, parang nag-start na yung nervous ko. Pero, kayanin. Kasi alam nyo naman ako, matatakotin ako sa hangin at ulan. Sa ulan, hindi. Yung ulan lang na ulan. Pero yung hangin is matatakotin talaga ako. Lalot na ulan at hangin. Kasi alam ko, kapag ulan at hangin, yung hangin malakas, andin babaha. Diba? Sabi ko, oh my God, nakakamiss man itong bahay. Kung mangyari yun, nakakamiss itong bahay kasi ito yung first namin. And then, yun, ito mangyayari, di ba? Pero kailangan, kung ganun, kung ano kailangan. Pero itong bahay na to, pag ibenta namin to, madali itong sa tingin ko lang madali itong mabinta, itong bahay. Kasi hindi naman siya pangit. Hindi siya pangit na bahay. Maano siya. Yun, basta okay siya. Hi guys, andito pa si Tami. Hindi pa siya nakaalis. Sabi niya 5 o'clock daw siya alis. Pero andito pa siya. Sabi ko, gamitin mo yung sasakyan ko kasi hindi naman ako alis. And then babalik lang din siya bukas din. And then kailangan ko ding bumili ng turkey legs or wings. Legs and wings. Because I like dark meat. The legs have the dark meat. Yung turkey. So, yun yung anuhin natin, bilhin para sa Thanksgiving. Kasi kami lang ni Tami. And kami lang dalawa talaga para naman safe, di ba? So, yun. I think yung kapatid din ni Tami, sila lang din. Mga mag-anak. You know. Anak niya sila. Pero, kami ni Tami, kami lang. Okay lang, masaya naman kami lang dalawa. Nabubuhay ka. Parang ano, halaan dito. Pero ako, kainin ko yung mamay. Ito yung ipadala natin sa kanya. Peso. Para naman siya makain yung string bean salad. And of course, yung paborito niya, Chico Bill.
Yeah, he's very experienced in selling this country. Yeah, what's wrong with these people?
Oh, what?
I don't understand what's wrong with these people. Oh, Joe Biden was very experienced in foreign policy. Yeah, every foreign policy he ever handled, he handled really badly. Everything was a
Is it Misty? Roxy? Habs? Waiting for food?
yes.
You wait for me, Bug.
He says, where are you going? Where you think you're freaking going?
May pagkain na si Mister. Use my car, okay?
No,
Why, hon?
I'm just gonna take mine.
Why?
It'll be fine.
You have your stuff already in my car.
I got tools and stuff in my car.
What?
I got tools and stuff in my car.
Oh, yeah. Okay, put that on there. Make sure that it's not gonna tumbling down. Make it straight. Make it straight. Okay. Tignan niyo yan. Tignan niyo. Tignan. What? What is that? A toy? You're trying to tell me, Mama? Give me food? Is that what it is?
This was like a silversmith.
Tommy, get this old thing.
Silver and crystal.
And why you proud of yourself buying that?
Because I was only a kid when I bought these.
You were a
It
kid
was such a nice set. I liked it. I bought it for them for.
for your parents?
Yeah. What do you think I bought it for? The hell would I do with a salt and pepper shaker as a kid?
And they're so happy you do that? Not really. They don't even use it.
They did use them.
They did use it?
Occasionally when people are over and then they take them out.
Really?
Actually, there's probably still some. There's salt in there still. Pepper still in here.
So you're happy you bought it? Okay, then I'll keep it forever for the rest of my life.
Crystal and silver. It's not.
And then
chrome.
we're gonna
It's
give
not-
it-
It's not chrome. It's silver. See this?
And then we're gonna give it to our kids. Said keep it, kids.
I'm just saying, huh?
I know, baby. Say bye-bye. See you tomorrow.
Bye, guys.
What time we'll see you tomorrow?
I don't know. Hopefully this thing is supposed to be done by like 1 o'clock or by 12 o'clock.
12 o'clock at what time?
What?
What time? 12 o'clock midnight?
12
12 o'clock
o'clock
afternoon?
Supposedly. So we'll see.
Okay, now. Anyway, guys, I'm going to end also the vlog. So I guess I will see you tomorrow.
Bye, gentlemen.
Hopefully, Tommy will come here early tomorrow, guys. And yeah, did you grade your paperwork? Okay, guys. See you tomorrow. I-end ko na to, guys, kasi ako naman lang mag-isa din. And pakainin ko na din tong mga alaga ko. And yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye. Good night. Good night.